iPhone 17 Pro? The camera revolution that changes everything for creators. Apple just declared war on traditional camera manufacturers. The iPhone 17 Pro isn't just an upgraded camera, it's a complete reimagining of professional workflows, and most people are missing the real story. The professional infrastructure play Apple introduced ProRes RAW support, making iPhone 17 Pro the first smartphone to support cinema-grade codecs. Add Genlock and timecode support via Blackmagic Camera Pro Dock, and you're looking at Hollywood-level production capabilities in your pocket. This isn't about better video quality. This is Apple replacing entire production ecosystems with a single device. The AI integration revolution. Neural accelerators integrated into each GPU core enable local AI processing that transforms how creators work. The 18MP center stage camera with square sensor doesn't just record, it understands creative intention, automatically expanding frames when friends join shots and enabling simultaneous front-rear recording. Cleanup uses Apple Intelligence for AI-powered object removal that maintains photographic authenticity. This isn't just convenience, it's creative AI that works. What this actually means for professionals, this changes client economics entirely. 4K 120 FPS. Dolby Vision recording with enhanced stabilization delivers cinema-quality footage without cinema-sized budgets. The thermal breakthrough allows sustained performance during long shoots, solving the overheating problem that plagued professional iPhone usage. 48 megapixel across all three cameras with 8x optical zoom creates unprecedented focal flexibility. One device now replaces multiple professional lenses. The business model. Disruption traditional workflows required 50,000 pliers in equipment and expertise. iPhone 17 Pro delivers equivalent capabilities for $1,199, but here's the strategic insight. Apple profits when creators succeed. Every edit, every share, every subscription, Apple benefits from enabling the entire creative ecosystem. Support for Apple Log 2, broadcast frame rates, and open gate recording means content goes from capture to broadcast ready without leaving Apple's ecosystem. The real revolution Apple isn't just building better cameras. They're democratizing professional creation while maintaining professional results. The iPhone becomes the gateway to professional Apple workflows, cloud services, and creative subscriptions. The iPhone 17 Pro proves the future isn't about bigger, more expensive tools. It's about intelligent tools that adapt to human creativity rather than forcing creativity to adapt to technology. I'm Alvis, exploring how technology innovations reshape creative industries in ways most people never see coming.